Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to install the Postgres system into your Ubuntu. So let's start the tutorial. I have already installed the Postgres successfully and let's start the tutorial. So these are the commands that we need to add. So for this like sudo su Postgres, or let me go to my sudo su progress. So I'm already at sudo su progress Postgres I. I'm going to exit. Close the terminal. So I am the user Postgres, right? And if I go PSQL, so I'm using the Postgres now. Just check the connection, which you are connected right now. So you connected to database Postgres with the user via socket, right? So this is successfully connected to the Postgres database and Postgres user, right? You can create the multiple users over here, and you can assign that create the role and create the DB accordingly, right? And this is default one. Okay, so this is the command. I will add it, post it in the description. After that you need to add the pgAdmin. So this is very simple commands. After installing this commands, you will get to know that the pgAdmin installed over here, pgAdmin, right? So whenever you try to log in, it will ask you the password, right? So I'm going to add my password. After adding the password, I need to access my test server. Please enter the user Postgres password. So you can also set the password for the user Postgres. So my password is for like this one. So it will assess. You can change the password by you doing this one. I'm going to close this. Close this terminal. Control Shift T. What are the steps? I will show you. Just just sudo su Postgres I, right? So here you know PSQL. After that you need to add password Postgres. Here you need to write the password. I will write the password admin, 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 right? This is done. If I'm going to this one, I'm going to close this and restart the pgAdmin, right? Password, assessing this DB. So what I have added, admin, right? So let's enter. I'm successfully able to change the password of that DB, right? So first it asks me to enter the master password. If you want to access on the database, you can go and check the connections file and create a database server. And here you can add the multiple connections with your database name, right? So this is the tutorial on how to install the pgAdmin Postgres. If you have any query in that, let me know in the comment section. I will paste all the queries over here, all the thing that which I have done, and you can just go and check this tutorial, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.